In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a company in Odoo. If you need to remove a company from your Odoo database, this process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to be careful. Deleting a company is permanent, so before you continue, make sure you really no longer need that company record. In many cases, especially if the company has already been used in daily operations, Odoo may not allow you to delete it at all. If that happens, archiving the company is usually the safer and more practical option. To begin, open the Settings app in Odoo. This is where many of the system-wide configuration options are managed, including company settings. Once you're in Settings, look for the section related to Users and Company Management. From there, go to Users and Companies and then select Companies. This will open the list of companies currently available in your Odoo environment. Take a moment here to make sure you choose the correct one, especially if your database contains multiple company records. Deleting the wrong company could affect your setup and create unnecessary problems. Next, click on the company you want to delete. This will open that company's detail page where you can review the record before removing it. It's a good idea to double check that you're on the right page before moving forward. At the top of the company page, click the Actions menu. This menu contains additional options you can perform on the current record. Once the menu opens, choose Delete from the available actions. After that, Odoo will show a confirmation message. This is your final warning before the company is permanently removed. If you're absolutely sure, click Delete on the confirmation message to complete the process. Now keep in mind that Odoo may block deletion if the company is already connected to users, transactions, accounting entries, or other business data. This is normal and is designed to protect the integrity of your database. If you see that deletion isn't allowed, the recommended alternative is to archive the company instead of deleting it. Archiving removes it from a normal day-to-day use without breaking any linked records. And that's it. That's how to delete a company in Odoo. Just remember to proceed carefully, verify the company before deleting, and use archiving when Odoo prevents permanent removal. Thanks for watching.